quick weight loss, GM diet plan can help you lose 5 to 7 kilograms in 7 days. The GM diet plan was ideally created for the employees of General Motors, thus the name GM Diet. The diet plan promises to help one lose somewhere between 5 kilos to 7 kilos in 7 days. For 7 days, the diet suggests you to eat foods from different food groups. This diet promises more weight loss in lesser time as compared to any other diet. GM diet plan is not only said to help one lose weight but also has other health benefits, including improved digestion, detoxification of the body and enhanced ability of the body to burn fat later. GM diet has proven to be helpful for most people who followed it. This is because the diet includes vegetables and fruits, which are low in calories. The diet even contains negative calorie food, the ones that take more calories to get digested than what they provide you with. Foods included also have a lot of water and thus, help in the detoxification of the body. The diet can be followed multiple times but with a gap of 5 to 7 days in between. Here's the diet plan that is followed in GM diet plan. Day 1, any one fruit apart from banana. You can eat the fruit as many times as you want. Melons are recommended as they have a lot of water and help lose weight easily. Day 2, you can eat any vegetable in the boiled or raw form as many times as you want. However, consume a medium-sized potato during breakfast with 1 teaspoon of low-fat butter. Day 3, except for bananas and potatoes, you can have all the fruits and boiled, raw vegetables all day long. Day 4, only banana and milk is to be consumed on the 4th day. 6 to 8 large bananas with 3 glasses of skimmed milk is ideal. Day 5, chicken, fish, 280 grams, with 6 whole tomatoes. Vegetarians may have brown rice or cottage cheese instead of meat. Increase your water intake. Day 6, unlimited number of veggies, ideally spinach, but no potatoes. Vegetarians can eat brown rice or cottage cheese while non-vegetarians can eat chicken, fish, 280 grams. Have lots and lots of water. Day 7, brown rice, half a chapati, fruit juice, fruits and veggies can be consumed on this day. Tip: you must walk for 45 minutes on all these 7 days. Avoid any rigorous exercise routine if you feel weak. Beans, sweeteners and high-calorie beverages should be avoided. You can have herbal tea or black coffee but without the addition of any sweetener in it. After the diet. Once you are done with 1 week of GM diet plan, it is advised to have high protein and low carb meal the following week. Avoid junk because it may make you gain the weight back again.